We're gonna go down, 16th floor. So yeah, we have a machine and ice dispenser, so that's cool. And it's off in its own corner too, so that's cool. It's not by the rooms. Awesome elevator. Got the wood paneling going. Oh, there's the little store. It's closed though right now. Where's the garden court? I think is the eating place.
Is Nick feeding us over?
I don't know. I haven't told him yet. He walks quick, so he said he already grabbed a sandwich. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty cool in here. Got the cool roof. Oh, is that the good? No, that's 777. It's kind of like a bar type place. Garden court. Cool. Let's see. Yeah, what we also like about here, it's not as noisy, of course, as I come by a machine that's active, but it's not as noisy as other places. Let's see what we got here. So they do brunch and dinner. Well, I guess technically it is brunch at this point.
Yeah.
And it's all you can eat. So I guess it's 25 bucks. So I guess we'll experience it at least one day, unless you want something cheaper. Okay. Cool. And I'm going to be polite and lower the camera. So they sat us really quick. Looks like up there, he took the order for drinks. And I guess we'll go up here in a second and see what they have. Yeah, pretty cool room in here. Let's see, it looks like they got pizza. Coast to coast. It's like, I don't know where we start. That's going to be the $1 million question. I think, each section, yeah. There's plates at each station. So salad, and I'm not a rabbit. What's over here? Kimchi, yogurt, so more interesting. Smoked salmon, that looks good. I think this is where I'm gonna go. Traditional eggs, bacon, sausage. Ooh, cinnamon crepes. That looks good. More of a kind of lunch. Country gravy, chicken fried steak. Oh yeah. I mean, some people say like Vegas eating is expensive, 25 bucks for a person, but it's all you can eat, and it's a lot of choices.
Also includes your drink too.
Yeah, it includes the drink, so it's really not that bad in this day and age with prices. And then and toppings and stuff, salsas. Yeah, good. And look, they can even go longer. Probably dinner time they can go even more. So I'm gonna get some food and I'll bring you what I get. So this is what I picked. We got scrambled eggs, sausage, some type of sausage, potatoes, salmon, some capers, and bacon. And then they got desserts over here. Bunch of pies. Let's see. Ice cream. That looks like banana. Go with that. Go with banana. Looks like they got cookies and other pastries. There. And what's scary is there's a VIP line. Like if it's that busy, I don't want to come. Thanks.
Yeah, I don't think that's those type of years.
Let's see, what else we got? We'll do a circle, I guess. Looks like we got a cool bar over here. That's pretty cool. Go this way. Do, do, do. That's pretty cool. So if you go up those steps, you can get to the California through a breezeway across the road. Huh. That's kind of cool. Yeah, it's definitely really probably one of the better, older style casinos. First is like on the strip. Yeah, like you got like stained glass up there. It's cool. So back to the room.
Yeah, Nick said he was just walking in here.
Oh.
You should come on a video and be like, I'm Nick Shirley, Las Vegas casinos, ripping everyone.
Why are they hiring illegals? Daycare. There's daycare centers. It's like, can you get up to that top level? It's pretty cool up there.
They've got random stuff there. I can almost guarantee you, I got my $2.
It's the barcode side.
So back to the. Yeah. We'll just cut through the. Watch your step. Yeah, I like this building. It's cool. And it's a little more. It's a little more chill than the others.